Hey there, fabulous viewers. Welcome back to my channel Love Soul Connection. Today, we are on a mission to debunk some of the juiciest myths about compatibility in relationships that millennials often get caught up in. Buckle up because we are about to set the record straight and have a blast doing it. The first myth: opposites attract and similarities are boring. No, my dear friends. The classic belief that you need to be polar opposites to have a sizzling connection. That's a myth. But here's the truth bomb. While a little contrast can be intriguing, shared values and interests are the real glue that keeps relationship thriving. Take an example. Imagine you're a die-hard foodie and your partner lives on cereal and takeout. Sure, it might sound exciting at first, but when you can't agree on a place to go and have dinner, those foodie adventures might start to feel more like a food fight. Let's take another example. Let's say you're a night owl who loves hitting the town, while your partner is an early bird who enjoys cozy evenings at home. While your schedules might seem incompatible, finding a balance and creating new routines together can lead to a harmonious coexistence. So, the fact remains that shared values and interests create a strong foundation for lasting connections. The second myth: love conquers all and conflicts shouldn't happen. Hold up, love warriors. While love is a beautiful thing, conflicts are a natural part of any relationship. Thinking that love alone can solve every problem is like trying to put out a fire with a sprinkle of glitter. Spoiler alert, it's not going to work. Picture this: you and your partner have different communication styles. One of you loves expressing feelings verbally, while the other prefers writing heartfelt letters. Ignoring the differences and assuming that love will magically bridge the gap can lead to misunderstandings and unmet needs. Imagine you're passionate about traveling and exploring new cultures, while your partner prefers the comfort of home. Avoiding discussions about travel preferences and bucket list destinations can lead to missed opportunities and unfulfilled dreams. So it's better to sort them out. So, fact two is open communication and healthy conflict resolution are the key for a strong relationship. Let's come to myth three. If it's meant to be, it should be easy all the time. That's a fairy tale notion that every day should feel like a walk in the park. But guess what? Even the most magical relationships have their share of rainy days. Thinking it's all rainbows and butterflies can lead to unrealistic expectations. You and your partner might have different career ambitions. While you are striving for that dream job, they are content with their current position. Believing that a perfect relationship means you'll always be on the same page about professional goals can lead to disappointment. Let's take another example. Let's say you are an extrovert who loves socializing, and your partner is an introvert who values quiet nights at home. Assuming that you'll always share the same social preferences might lead to pressure and discomfort for the both of you. So, fact number three is relationships require effort, even during the stormy days, to make the sunny ones even more rewarding. Myth number four: soulmates are destined to complete each other. Hold on to your heartstrings, folks. The idea that your partner is meant to fill every single gap in your life is a tall order. You're both individuals with your own dreams and aspirations. And that's what makes your relationship beautifully unique. Let's take an example. You might be an adventure enthusiast who loves extreme sports, while your partner prefers quiet evenings with a good book. Believing that they should embrace every aspect of your adventurous lifestyle can lead to frustration and a sense of unmet expectations. Let's take another example. Imagine you're a music lover who enjoys going to these concerts, parties, while your partner is more into arts and museums. Expecting them to become your concert companion without exploring their interests can create a one sided dynamic. So, fact number four is that a healthy relationship allows room for individual growth and shared experiences. Myth number five: chemistry is everything and it fades over time. Hold on to your chemistry goggles and funnels because this one's a spicy myth to debunk. While that initial spark is undeniably exhilarating, thinking that it's a fleeting moment waiting to vanish is like believing your favorite song will never play again. Not true. Say, for example, you and your partner might have felt an instant electric connection when you first met. Time, that intense initial spark might evolve into a deeper, more profound understanding of each other's quirks and nuances. So, fact number five is that chemistry can evolve and deepen over time, creating a lasting and fulfilling connection. And there you have it, folks. We've busted through five of the common compatibility myths that millennials encounter in relationships. Remember, it's all about embracing the real, imperfect, and incredibly rewarding journey of love. Thanks for joining me on this myth busting adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more relationship wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep debunking and keep loving.